Ever wondered about the unique characteristics of sheepdog breeds like Border Collies and Australian Shepherds? Today we're going to delve into the captivating world of sheepdogs, shedding light on what makes these breeds so special and how their traits play a significant role in their herding abilities. At first glance, Border Collies and Australian Shepherds may seem quite similar. Both breeds are known for their intelligence, making them quick learners and brilliant problem solvers. This intelligence, paired with their high energy levels, means that they're always ready to work and play. But don't be fooled, these breeds are not identical twins. Each has its own unique herding style and abilities. Border Collies, for instance, are renowned for their eye, a trait where they fix a hard stare on their flock, controlling them with intensity and precision. On the other hand, Australian Shepherds, or Aussies as they're fondly called, are versatile workers. They're known for their adaptability and are often seen herding all kinds of livestock, not just sheep. It's also important to note that while both breeds are energetic, they have different ways of channeling their energy. Border Collies thrive on constant mental and physical stimulation. They're happiest when they have a job to do. Aussies, on the other hand, are a bit more laid back but still require regular exercise and mental stimulation. So, how do you choose which breed is best for your farm? It all comes down to your specific needs and the environment. If you have a large flock that requires tight control, a Border Collie might be your best bet. If you're after a versatile dog that can adapt to various tasks and livestock, an Australian Shepherd could be a better fit. Remember, choosing a sheepdog isn't about picking the breed you like the most, but rather selecting a dog that fits your farm's requirements and can work harmoniously with you. Knowing your sheepdog's breed and its characteristics are the first steps towards effective training. So, with this understanding, we're well on our way to mastering the art of sheepdog training. Stay tuned as we unfold more secrets in the upcoming scenes. Ready to learn about essential herding commands and how to teach them to your sheepdog? Today, we're delving into the key commands that every sheepdog should know and the techniques to effectively teach them. First, let's tackle the basics. The command "come by" instructs your dog to move in a clockwise direction around the herd, while "away to me" means the opposite, guiding them counterclockwise. The command "walk up" prompts your dog to approach the herd, and "lie down" tells them to stop and lie down, effectively halting the herd's movement. Now, how do you teach these commands? It's all about consistency and clear communication. Start by using these commands in a controlled environment like your yard before graduating to the field. Say the command clearly and confidently, and when your dog responds correctly, reward them. This positive reinforcement encourages your dog to associate the command with the correct action and a positive outcome. But remember, it's not just about the commands, it's also about building a strong bond between you and your dog. This bond forms the basis of trust, and trust is the foundation of effective teamwork. Spend quality time with your dog, understand their instincts and needs, and create a loving, respectful relationship. This will not only make the training process smoother, but also make herding tasks more efficient. Keep in mind, every dog learns at their own pace. Patience is key. If your dog is struggling with a command, don't get frustrated. Instead, take a step back, reassess your approach, and try again. Consistent practice and positive reinforcement will eventually lead to success. Incorporating these techniques into your training regimen will help your dog master these essential commands, making them a reliable and effective herding partner. Remember, your dog wants to please you. They just need clear, consistent guidance on how to do it. Understanding and effectively using herding commands are vital to successful sheepdog training. So, invest time in mastering these commands and techniques, and you'll be well on your way to a well-trained, efficient herding team. How can agility training enhance your sheepdog's performance? Let's find out. Agility training is not only a fun activity for your sheepdog, but also a powerful tool to enhance its performance. It provides mental stimulation, improves physical fitness, and sharpens coordination, all vital aspects for a sheepdog on the job. By challenging your dog's mind and body, agility training helps to keep them engaged, active, and more responsive. Let's dive into some of the agility exercises and equipment that can form part of your sheepdog's training regimen. Tunnels provide an excellent opportunity for your dog to learn how to navigate confined spaces. Jumps help to increase their physical prowess and precision. Weave poles are great for improving your dog's flexibility and agility, while A-frames can help your dog learn to climb and descend at controlled speeds. Remember, the key to successful agility training lies in positive reinforcement. Encourage your dog as they navigate through the course, rewarding them for their accomplishments. This will create an enjoyable learning environment, fostering their willingness to participate and their desire to excel. But how do you incorporate agility training into your overall sheepdog training regimen? The answer is balance. While herding practice is essential for a working sheepdog, agility training is equally important for their physical and mental well-being. It's all about finding a balance that suits your dog's needs, energy levels, and work schedule. One way to achieve this is by alternating between herding practice and agility training sessions. This not only keeps the training diverse and exciting for your dog, but also ensures they are developing a well-rounded set of skills. While the benefits of agility training are numerous, remember that every dog is unique. What works for one might not work for another. Therefore, it's crucial to tailor your agility training program to suit your sheepdog's individual needs, abilities, and temperament. A well-rounded training program includes both herding practice and agility training. So, let's get out there and start exploring the world of agility training with our sheepdogs. It's time to unlock their full potential and take their performance to the next level. Facing challenges in sheepdog training? Here's how to address common behavioral issues. Training a sheepdog isn't always a walk in the park. These intelligent and energetic canines can sometimes exhibit challenging behaviors, such as overexcitement, stubbornness, or fearfulness. But don't worry, these are common issues that can be addressed with the right approach. Overexcitement can often be seen in sheepdogs due to their high energy levels. They can become overly enthusiastic during herding tasks, which can disrupt the smooth operation of your farm. To manage this, it's essential to channel their energy into constructive activities. Regular agility training and exercise can be a great way to utilize their energy positively. Then there's stubbornness. Sheepdogs are independent thinkers, which is a blessing and a curse. While this trait makes them excellent problem solvers on the field, it can also result in stubborn behavior during training. Consistent positive reinforcement works wonders here. Reward good behavior promptly and ignore unwanted behavior. This will help your dog understand what is expected of them. Fearfulness is another issue that can crop up. This usually stems from a lack of exposure to different environments, noises, or situations. The solution lies in gradual desensitization. Introduce your sheepdog to a variety of situations in a controlled and calm manner. This will help them become more confident and adaptable. In all these strategies, patience, consistency, and understanding play a crucial role. Training doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey that you and your sheepdog undertake together. Your dog looks up to you for guidance and reassurance, so maintain a calm and patient demeanor at all times. Remember, every dog has its own personality and pace of learning. Celebrate small victories and keep the training sessions enjoyable and stress-free. As we wrap up this segment, let's underline the importance of addressing behavioral challenges in sheepdog training. They're not hurdles, but stepping stones that will help you and your dog build a stronger working relationship. Remember, patience, consistency, and understanding are key to overcoming behavioral challenges. Let's summarize what we've learned about mastering sheepdog training. We've journeyed through the world of sheepdog breeds, understanding their unique characteristics and their suitability for different herding tasks. We've seen the intelligence of Border Collies, the energy of Australian Shepherds, and the herding instincts of others, all providing valuable insights to help you select the perfect companion for your farm or ranch. Moving along, we've explored the art of herding commands. We've learned the importance of come by, away to me, walk up, and lie down, and how these can be taught and reinforced through positive reinforcement, consistency, and clear communication. We've also emphasized the importance of building a strong bond with your sheepdog, fostering a relationship that enhances teamwork and efficiency during herding tasks. We've also delved into the benefits of agility training, discussing how it contributes to improved physical fitness, mental stimulation, and coordination for your sheepdogs. We've touched on various exercises and equipment, like tunnels, jumps, weave poles, and A-frames, and how they play a key role in developing the agility and dexterity of your furry friends. Lastly, we've addressed common behavioral issues and challenges you might encounter during sheepdog training. We've provided strategies for problem-solving and behavior modification, stressing the importance of patience, consistency, and understanding in building a strong working relationship with your sheepdog. Now it's your turn to apply these insights to your own sheepdog training endeavors. Remember, every dog is unique, and it's all about finding what works best for you and your four-legged partner. We'd love to hear about your experiences, your successes, and even your challenges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more farming insights. Share your sheepdog training experiences in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today.